Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya Kamala. Hope you guys are all doing well. So guys, how are you? It's been a while. I did not talk to you. I did not film any of my videos for you guys. I'm extremely sorry, but you know guys, almost I have only 1.5 months from my marriage, so I've been concentrating more on my marriage works and arrangements, and also I'm concentrating on my office work as well. So now I have been regular to my office. So you know, marriage, it's a big commitment. I have got so much responsibility, so I have to balance both the things, my passion and my profession. So it's very hard to maintain both the things in one go. So I could not able to film videos for you guys. I'm extremely sorry for that, but here and there I have been filming for Instagram. For my YouTube I couldn't able to make, but I'm surely telling you, in future I'll be going to balance both the things regularly, but I need some time to make a schedule everything, so please excuse for that. However, I'll be sharing all my updates, all my products video, everything in my Instagram stories. Do follow there and do check out my page guys. So for now, in today's video I'm gonna talk about a Ayurvedic skincare brand. I'm very happy that I have I'm mostly using most of Ayurvedic skincare products in recent days, and I'm getting a chance to try a different brands, and people are sending a good products to try on. So very happy for that guys. So like that, I got a chance to try the roots and herbs product. So luckily they have sent me their CTM kit. Today I'll be sharing my thoughts and opinions, how I use them, and what are the benefits I got it from roots and herbs skincare products. To know all the things, do continue watching, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. I'll be on track very soon. So now without any further delay, let's get into the video. So firstly I'm going to show you the packaging, how I received. So this is what the cardboard package I received. 3 products from Roots and Herbs. So they are really amazing products. I'm seriously impressed with the products and the result I have used. So I have received 3 different products from this brand. So firstly I have received the rebalancing face wash and rosemary purifying toner, and lastly I have got their fenugreek radiant skin nectar. So it is a CTM kit for oily and acne prone skin. So you know guys, I'm extremely oily and acne prone skin, and these products are working really great. So one by one I'm gonna talk each and every product and ingredients and all. Let me start with their face wash. So this is a Manjishta rebalancing face wash, mild non-foaming powder cleanser. So this is what the product looks like. As you can see from the packaging itself, how beautiful they are. So it's a cardboard packaging. So it's like it's made up of cardboard. So as you can see, it's not a plastic, it's a paper. And this is what the original packaging of the face wash looks like. It's a powder face wash, so it's like a Upton powder, and all the details you get in this on both cardboard and in main packaging. So let me start with their first claim. So this is a Ayurvedic natural skincare brand. They are free from silicones, synthetic, sulfate, paraben, alcohol, mineral oils, and they are very clean, and they are free from all these chemical ingredients, and they are cruelty free and vegan. So and also you get all the details of ingredients in this side of the packaging, and they have mentioned each and every single product with the percentage, how much they use. So all the details you get in this side of the packaging. If you go to the website also, you get every detail, so you no need to worry about the ingredients or the formulations, how they made. Now I'm gonna talk about the formula and everything. So this is the Manjishta rebalancing face wash. So I have been using this face wash for last 2 weeks, and I really thankful that I have tried this one guys. So this comes in this kind of a powder form. So you need to mix this powder in a water, and you just need to massage into your skin like any other face wash. It doesn't foam it doesn't give any kind of foam or lather. It's, as I said, it's kind of a paste. When you apply and massage, it feels like you're applying a face pack and massaging to the skin. So this is made up of Manjishta, Somp, Durba, Amlika, Kas, Estmandi, neem oil, cloves, sodium pentoxide, rosewood oil, melulona oil. So all these ingredients are really nice, especially the Manjishta is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, so it's very good for oily and acne prone skin. Let me show how I use them. So first I'm gonna take the product in my hand, so like that. So let me wet my face and I'll come back, guys, so that it will be very easy for me to show you. So now I have wet my face with the water. Now I'm gonna take the face wash, like the face powder, to cleanse my face. I'm gonna very carefully, I'm gonna take this much of the powder in my hand. I'm gonna add some water. So you need to mix this powder in water, and you just have to massage like any other face wash, but it doesn't give any kind of foam or lather. You just have to massage this pack like for 1 minute. It gives that really super cooling sensation. So I have just massaged that product in my hand. I'm going to, as you can see, so you just need to use it as your normal face wash. Only thing, you don't feel that lathery thing, but it's really good, guys. It hydrates, moisturizes your skin, gives a super cooling sensation while you're massaging into your skin. After you wash your face with water also, it gives a super cooling and amazing effect. And for this especially for this winter season, it's really hydrating my skin like anything, guys. I'm literally using this only thing in this 2 weeks. And this as I said, Manjishta is an amazing ingredient which is a anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, and it's really good for acne and oily prone skin. Especially for oily prone skin, guys, it just removes all that oil, extra oil, and especially it doesn't dry out your face like any other face wash. So it doesn't leave any kind of dryness at all. So aramse you can easily use it every single day. And it has the neem oil and clove, kus, and also which is a really good ingredient for acne. So after using this thing, I did not see any kind of new acne, and also whatever the present acne I was having, it was going slowly, and it is a mild exfoliating thing also. So it's as I said, it's a very mild exfoliating thing, so it helps me to reduce my scars, and also it improves my skin texture. So it's been more than 30 to 40 seconds. I'm gonna wash my face and I'll be back. So guys, I just washed my face and pat dry with the towel. As you can see, it gives a super brightening effect, and also it gives a super soft silky skin. I have been loving the rebalancing face wash, guys. It's not a sponsored video, it's just they send it to me. I'm very happy that I can use a really great products to my skincare regime, and also it cleared all my oily thing, and throughout the day I don't see any kind of extra oil or peeking through my skin. So next we'll be moving on to the toner. So we have the rosemary purifying toner, which is an antibacterial and hydrating toner. So this is what the toner looks like. Seriously, guys, and it's an amazing toner. It hydrates, moisturizes my skin deeply, and balances the pH level of my skin. And this contains rosemary as its main ingredient, which helps to maintain the moisture of the skin, and also they have amazing quality. Let me tell you one by one. So rosemary toner contains bella flower extract, which helps in retaining moisture. Definitely it retains my moisture. And marigold extract, which firms and tones the skin. Definitely I can see the great result after using this toner. Like it helps me to absorb all the products which I apply after the toner, so that it's really amazing. And it contains neem extract, which is really good for antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Like it combats my acne, inflammation, and it also controls the sebum production, so which is helping really nice, guys. And this is also free from any kind of silicone, synthetic, sulfate, paraben, alcohol, mineral oil. So it is also free from everything, and it is also a vegan and cruelty free product. So like all the products are cruelty free and vegan. And all the roots and herbs products are meant for unisex. It's like you can if both men and women can use these products. So this is what the product looks like. I'm gonna spray all on my face. and it smells divine, guys. Seriously, it smells divine. And you can't stop spraying 2 to 3 sprays. You need to you will be keep on spraying like that, and it smells really like I'm sitting in a herb foam like thing. So it smells like that I'm sitting in full of Ayurvedic products, roses, flowers and all. It smells divine, seriously. So the last product in this roots and herbs, I have their moisturizer. So this is called Fenugreek Plus Radiant Skin Nectar Intense Treatment for Hydrating and Glowing Skin. So this is what the product looks like. It's a big cardboard packaging. The packaging is really nice for this product, guys. It just comes like that, and this is what the original product looks like. So all the details you get in this side of the packaging and also in this packaging also. And as you can see, this is very luxurious kind of a packaging. You don't see that you're using a Ayurvedic product at all. It feels like very luxurious. I can see that gold cap and everything. It feels very nice to use every single day. And let me talk about this. So this is a moisturizer, but it does an amazing job of doing great for oily and combination skin. So this light cool facial moisturizer contains aloe vera, which is strong soothing and moisture retaining properties. Fenugreek stimulates skin rejuvenation. Jojoba prevents premature aging. Neem has antiseptic antibacterial properties. Steam distilled clove essential oil prevents pimple and has antifungal properties. The oils and herbs help in drainage of secretion from the sebaceous glands of the skin, and thereby help in preventing dehydration of skin and prevents blackheads. So whatever they claim in this packaging, this is what it does. It is an amazing moisturizer. So all the ingredients, whatever, so all the ingredients are really good. They, as I said, they have aloe vera, it's a soothing property, neem, antibacterial. So after using this moisturizer, it hydrates my skin, moisturizes my skin, and after using all these products, guys, I don't see any kind of new pimples peeking through, and it prevents me from becoming more oily throughout the day. So I'm gonna use 2 to 3 pumps. Mostly I use 3 pumps of the product. So it is not a mattifying moisturizer, it's the normal moisturizer which has a little bit of shine to it. But however, I use a sunscreen on top of this, and I set my sunscreen with a powder. So with that, it the shine will reduce, but it really helps in maintaining that moisture throughout the day, guys. It seriously, I have been falling into the moisturizer. As you can see, it's a very silky smooth texture. On top of that, my sunscreen blends smoothly into my skin, and also when I put the powder also, it don't become any kind of clingy and all. So it sets my skin very nicely. I definitely recommend all these products to you guys. So guys, as you can see, it gives that super moisturization, and if you are a dry skin, you will definitely love this product, guys. Not only for oily skin, if you are dry skin also, you can definitely use, because it has that super intense moisturization that throughout the day you can feel that. So I truly recommend all these products to you guys. If you're oily and acne prone skin, especially for acne prone girls, you definitely need to try these products, guys. I really happy to try all these products. So guys, do check out the Roots and Herbs website. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box, and they'll be running amazing offers. Do check out that, and do follow on their Instagram page also. I'll be very happy. And if you're willing to try, all the products name, links, everything will be given in the description box, so please do check that out. And yeah, that's it, guys. I'm very happy to come back and talk to you and do a video for you guys. Yeah guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy watching this video. If you enjoy, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment below what is your opinion, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.